What is trademark? Why is it important for you to register your trademark before selling any e-commerce product on Amazon or any other platform? And where you can check for the name of your trademark if it is available or not. So, all the information about trademarks you will get in this video. So keep on watching. Alright, so first of all, let's discuss what is trademark. So, according to the Google, the trademark is a word, phrase or design that identify product or services from a particular source and distinguish them from others. So that means if you are selling a product with your brand name or your name, and if you have registered the trademark of that particular name, then nobody will be legally allowed to sell that product with that brand name. So if you are selling a product with your name or with any name and you want to legally secure the selling of that product and you want to limit the selling of that product only to you, then you must have to register the trademark of that product, so that will give you benefits for your future. So that is the same case with Amazon. If you are selling a product with your brand name and if you have registered the trademark of that brand name, so Amazon will consider you as a brand registered seller, and Amazon will unlock many features for you like EBC content, uploading a video on your product listing, and having your personalized landing page on Amazon. So let's go on Amazon and check with an example like which seller is having their trademark or which seller is not, and how you can check for your trademark before filing that trademark or before start selling on Amazon. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you are interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com. So let's search for any product like garlic press. So you can see that after I search the name for garlic press, I can see many results, many sellers selling that product. So if I scroll down and if I just open any 2 or 3 listings like this one and this one, so you can see that this seller is selling garlic press with the name Cineo, like C-I-N-E-Y-O, and this is the brand name. You can see that brand Cineo. So if we want to check that if this seller is having a trademark of that name or not, so to check that we have to go to trademarkia.com. So first I have to copy that brand name and then I have to go on trademarkia.com and paste for that brand name. And when I click on search, so trademarkia.com will search a query with that brand name into their trademark database, and if that brand is registered their trademark with that particular name, so that will tell me. So when I scroll down, so you can see that they are having a registered trademark for that brand name, and here is a complete detail about that trademark. So that clears us 2 things, that this seller is having the trademark of their brand name from which they are selling on Amazon. And number 2 is, if we want to register our trademark with that brand name, or let's say we want to sell our product with that brand name, so we cannot file the trademark of that brand name because their trademark is already registered. So in the same case, if you are having a brand name in your mind and you want to sell your product with that brand name, so first of all you need to go on trademarkia.com and then you have to type your brand name which is in your mind and you are planning to file the trademark for that name. So after searching here on trademarkia.com, you will be able to know that the brand name you are thinking to launch is available to file or not. And if someone has already filed the trademark of that particular brand name, so you will not allowed to sell any product with that particular brand name because now it is an intellectual property of someone else. So this is one of the most important things while start selling on Amazon, like you cannot sell a product with a name that is already being trademarked by someone else. If you do so, then that seller might file a complaint against you on Amazon and Amazon will remove your listing. And I have seen that in many cases, like many of the sellers don't know about this thing and they just mistakenly use the name or the word that is already trademarked by some other people in their listing, in their title or in their bullet points, and later the trademark owner will file a complaint about them on Amazon and Amazon remove their listing. So their whole investment will be drained. So if you also don't want to get in this trouble, then first think a name from which you want to sell your product on Amazon and then file a trademark for that name. So you will be secure and you will be able to easily sell that product on Amazon or any other e-commerce platform. And if you've already got a trademark infringement on one of your Amazon listing, then you can just watch my other video in which I have explained you in detail like how you can counterfeit that claim and how you can just get out of that trouble. So you can find the link of that video in the description below. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video and learned something useful from it. So if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can watch more videos in future like this. And if you want to ask any question from me regarding your e-commerce selling on any platform, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.